In this lesson, we're going to look at how you can simplify expressions. I'm going to simplify the expression negative 48x minus 12 divided by 4. When I have a problem like this, it's important for you to know that you're going to be dividing both parts of that expression on the top by the number that is on the bottom. I'm going to take negative 48x and I'm going to divide that by 4, giving me a negative 12x. And then I'm going to take my negative 12 divided by 4, giving me a negative 3. Make sure you remember that this is a negative sign right there, or minus. So I'm going to have negative 12 minus 3. All right, so let's find the quotient, just like we did in our first problem. I've got 7x minus 28 divided by 14. All right, again, we're going to break this into two parts here so we can simplify. All right, when I simplify and I go 7 divided by 14, I'm going to end up with a fraction, so I'm just going to leave it as 7 all over 14 x, which can be simplified down by dividing the top by 7 and the bottom by 7, giving me a 1/2 x, and then negative 28 divided by 14 is going to give me a negative 2. So you've got 1/2 x minus 2. All right, our next one. I've got negative 20x, and I've got 15 all over 5. All right, negative 20x, negative 20 divided by 5 is going to give me a negative 4x. And then 15 divided by 5 is going to give me a 3. So I have a negative 4x plus 3. All right, our next one, make sure that you're paying attention to the signs here, or the negatives. So I'm going to have a negative 16, or negative 12 divided by 6, giving me, so the negative divided by negative is going to give me a positive. I'm going to have 2x. And then I've got 24 divided by negative 6. Well, a positive divided by a negative is going to give me then a negative 4. All right, so let's try a couple more. I've got 15x minus 9. I really want to show you what happens with these signs here. So I'm going to have 15x divided by 3, or negative 3, giving me a negative 5x. And now, remember this subtraction sign, that's the negative that goes with the 9. And I've got a negative with the 3, so it's a negative 9 divided by negative 3, giving me a positive 3. So my answer for that one, simplified, is negative 5x plus 3. All right, so I'm going to take these two and these two. All right, so 24x divided by 8 is going to give me 3. Negative 8 divided by 8 is going to give me a negative, because a negative divided by a positive is going to give me a negative, and a negative 1. All right, so in this lesson we took a look at how you can simplify expressions.